guys. I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. This is Nimisha Bhatt from the Cooking Hub. So I'm your host today, and today I bring to you a street style sandwich. No, that's not a savory sandwich. It's a sweet sandwich that can be served to your guests or for dessert. So this sandwich is going to be everyone's favorite, as the name suggests, chocolatey cheesy sandwich. So yes, it's going to be yummy and delicious, and it's just going to be a 3-ingredient recipe, and you're going to love cooking this for your children, especially on Children's Day, or the children will love cooking this for themselves, as it's a very easy and simple recipe. So let's get started in making this chocolatey cheesy sandwich. So today I bring to you a recipe that's kids favorite, adults favorite, and that is chocolatey cheesy sandwich. I've taken 4 slices of bread. I've taken some melted chocolate. So what I did, I just took some chocolate. You can use any chocolate like dairy milk, or you can use just compound chocolate, and I've melted it and let it come to room temperature, or let it cool down just a little bit. Let me show you how this looks like. So this is at room temperature. I melted it and I let it sit for around 5 to 10 minutes. Here I'm using some butter, and also this is a cheesy sandwich, so I have some cheese. So cheese you can take as per your preference. Yes, so let's start making this wonderful recipe. So I'm taking 1 bread slice. Into this I'm going to apply this melted chocolate. Just a little bit more, and then I'll spread it. So you can use a butter knife as well. So just gently spread the chocolate. Chocolate cheese sandwich is a street food in some places. You must have seen these types of sandwiches sold on the streets, but you know what, you can prepare it at your house as well. So I'm just gently spreading it. So now I've spreaded this, and this is nice. Now I'm taking in some cheese, and I'm going to grate the cheese. I'm using in my finest grater, adding in the cheese. So I love cheese, so I'm just going to add a generous amount of cheese. On the side as well. That's done. I'm going to stop at this stage. Now I'm just going to just slightly spread it with my hands so that everywhere there is cheese. This is done. Now I'm taking another bread slice, plain, and putting it on top. Now I'm going to take some butter, and I'm going to apply butter on one side. So taking in butter, just apply it all over. Now you can make this sandwich on your toaster or sandwich maker, but personally I like cooking this or toasting this on a normal tawa, because if I make it in the sandwich maker or toaster, it's going to become hard and chewy. So I like this sandwich soft. So I've applied butter on this side, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to toast this on a frying pan. I'm taking a frying pan. I'm going to switch it on low flame. I'm going to place this bread, the butter side to be down this way. Now on top also I'm going to apply some butter, just on the middle. I'm going to close the lid, and I'm going to toast this on one side first for around 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. So now I'm going to flip it and toast it on the other side. You can see it's nice and toasted. So the cheese inside is melting. Again on low flame for 3 minutes, closing the lid. So this is ready. I'm going to take it out in a plate. Similarly, I'm going to prepare the second cheesy chocolatey sandwich. So this lovely chocolatey cheesy sandwich is done. I've prepared 2 sandwiches with this. Now I want to cut and show you how this looks like. So let me do that. Just cutting it like this. Super crispy and nice. You can cut it the way you like. I personally like it this way. Just one more cut from here. Check this out. Lovely chocolatey cheesy sandwich. Now I'm going to garnish it with some grated cheese. Now this step is completely optional, but whenever you serve this to your children, they are going to fall in love with it as soon as they see some grated cheese. This recipe is chocolatey cheesy sandwich, so cheese generous. So I've got some small chocolate over here that I'm going to grate for the nice garnishing. Now this step is optional, but children are going to love having some little bit of grated chocolate with the grated cheese. So I'm just going to nicely grate some chocolate and add in little bit of chocolate, small chocolate chunks. Grating in the chocolate. So this is done. Chocolatey cheesy sandwich is completely ready. Inside loaded with lovely melted chocolate and cheese and topped with grated cheese and grated chocolate. This is yummy. Kids are going to love this. You can make for your son's or your daughter's birthday, or you can make it to surprise anyone who loves chocolate and cheese. So this is street style chocolatey cheesy sandwich. It's ready. And yes, I'm very excited to teach you guys this. Thank you so much for watching this recipe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Do try this recipe. In case if you don't have melted chocolate, you can use any chocolate sauce or chocolate syrup or any other chocolate spread that is available, or you can also use Nutella. So the choice is yours, and the choices are endless as well. So yes, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next recipe, bringing to you a lovely recipe. So goodbye and